So we have to solve the equation 2 times log base 4 of x equals log base 4 of 64. On the right there are a number of equations that you should have memorized, and we have to decide which of these are useful. Since there's a 2 times the log base 4 of x, we can use the power rule. The power rule has a p here, p times log base b of m, and the power rule says that p can be moved to become an exponent on the argument. So we're going to move the 2 to be an exponent on the x. So we have log base 4 of x squared equals log base 4 of 64. Now for these two logarithmic values to be equivalent, the arguments must be equal. So the x squared and the 64 have to be equal in order for log base 4 of x squared to equal log base 4 of 64. So that means we can write x squared equals 64 and take the square root of both sides of the equation. So we have x equals plus or minus 8. We discard the negative 8 and say x is 8 because log base 4 of negative 8 is undefined. So log base 4 of negative 8 equals some exponent. If it did equal anything, it would equal the exponent that 4 needs to be raised to yield negative 8. And you can see that's not going to happen. You can't raise 4 to any power and get a negative. So arguments to your logarithm must be positive, and discard any answers to an equation that result in your arguments being negative for your logarithms.